Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the IP address on your Mac. This is super useful if you're setting up a network, troubleshooting internet issues, or just need your Mac's IP for configuration purposes. So let's get started. First, open System Settings on your Mac. Here you'll see a lot of different options, but what we need is the Network section, so go ahead and click on that. Inside Network, you'll notice several options like Wi-Fi, Firewall, VPN, and more. Since we're connected to Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. Now you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. In my case, I'm connected to one called OfficeNet. Next to the connected Wi-Fi, you'll see a Details button. Click on that. A new window will pop up with more advanced options. Here you'll find different tabs like TCP/IP, DNS, WINS, and proxies. What we need is TCP/IP, so click on it. Now under the TCP/IP section, you'll see your IP address displayed in numeric form, for example something like 192.168.1.12. That's your Mac's current IP address. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more quick Mac tutorials.